Welcome to the Simplicity Reset tutorial, April 2017. The Simplicity Walmart April 2017 Cabinet Reset. Please complete your visit during this time frame, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Central Time. You will need to contact the SRS Simplicity Support Hotline at 888-493-6669 for any in-store questions and/or approval for extra service time over your 2 hours. This is required. There are no exceptions. Listed below are your project materials. You will need the following: the service instructions, the April 2017 drawer tabs, the April 2017 cabinet discard list, your fixture letter, the authorization letter, the pattern discard notice, survey worksheet, and if need be, the tip sheet, the camera or smartphone, making sure your camera or smartphone is charged and ready for this visit. Please disregard the instructions included in your Simplicity box, as the instructions SRS has provided has been updated. Before leaving for your service call, track the Simplicity shipment. Tracking is located on your NI calendar under the Service Call Materials section. If you are having trouble locating the tracking number, read the How to Ship tracking information on NI located under the project materials. It is very important to service the store as soon as the shipment arrives so the box does not get lost. Please contact the store and speak with the Fabric Craft Department Manager to verify the shipment has arrived and agree on a location where the box can be found. This is a mandatory call. You will need to write down the name of the person you speak with, as it will be required to enter this information on your NI survey. If you cannot reach anyone in the Fabric and Crafts Department, but have confirmed that the box has been delivered by FedEx.com, please go to the store and complete this reset. Upon arrival at the store, please locate the one box. It should be in the Fabric and Crafts Department. Ask an associate for assistance locating Department 19 if needed. If you cannot find the box, please check the cabinet to see if the new patterns have been placed by the store. Then complete the following steps. Do not leave the store without completing these objectives. Number 1, pulling the discards. Number 2, moving the patterns into the correct drawers. Number 3, changing the drawer tabs. And number 4, destroying the discards and any other trash that you may have. Completing the reset. Locate the pattern cabinet. It will either be metal or wood. Samples are to the right. If the cabinet is damaged but functional, please take a photo of the damaged area. Complete as much of the reset as possible, making sure to pull the discards, rearrange the drawers, and replace the drawer tabs. This is mandatory. If the cabinet is damaged and not functional and/or safe, please take a photo of the damaged area. Do not spend more than 15 minutes with the store trying to fix the cabinet. Give the department manager a copy of the cabinet order form and leave the store. It is mandatory to take a picture of the damaged area. The discards. Remove the old Simplicity patterns using the cabinet discard list. Please make sure to pay special attention to the sizes, as not all sizes will be removed. The size is located to the right of the pattern number. For some pattern numbers, you will remove the patterns and keep the stock card. This will be noted on the discard list. For stock cards without a pattern, patterns will ship to the store at a later date, so it is important to leave the stock card in the correct place in the cabinet. Listed below is an example of the discard list. While placing the discard patterns in a shopping cart or box and taking the cart back to the trash area in the back room, and discard these patterns before you leave the store. If the trash is blocked, place a copy of the pattern discard notice on top of the patterns and leave for the store associate. Here is a fun fact. Save 2 fat discard patterns to use as knee pads when working on the bottom drawer. Below is an example of the pattern with the number and size, and another example of the stock card. Replacing the drawer tabs. You must print the drawer tabs for each store. They will not be included in the reset shipment. Please note that the NI survey cabinet photo must show the drawer tabs have been replaced. If they have not been replaced, you will be asked to return to the store and replace the tabs and take a new photo. For April 2017 reset, the following sequence for your drawer tabs. Drawer 1, 0218 to 1603. Drawer 2, 1605 to 6499. Drawer 3, 6500 to 8219. And lastly, drawer 4, 8220 to 9871. Moving existing patterns to the correct drawer according to the tabs. Please note when moving the new patterns, start with the top drawer and work your way down. Here is an example of how to move the patterns with more ease. In drawer 1, shift pattern 0218 through 1551 into the first 5 rows. By doing this, you will create a space in the last row. Move patterns 1552 through 1603 from drawer 2 into the empty space created in the last row of drawer 1. Repeat this for each drawer until there is enough space created for the new issue patterns. When shifting in the third drawer, leave space in the first row for the new issue patterns A6507 to A6523. If you run into any space issues, you can shift patterns to another drawer, but you must flip over the cabinet tabs and handwrite the new number sequences for each drawers that you adjust. Straighten and organize the patterns in each drawer as you go. When organizing and stocking, you want to work each drawer front to back along each row, starting with the left side of the drawer. There should always be finger space in each drawer so that customers can easily flip through the patterns, making them easy to shop. Stocking your new patterns. New patterns inside the shipment range from A6507 to A6523, inserting in drawer 3. A8367 to A8374, inserting new patterns into drawer 4. 8375 to 8411, again inserting new patterns in drawer 4. Stock the new patterns and stock cards in numeric sequence. Place the new stock cards in front of the patterns. If you have stock cards that are in back of the patterns, please leave where they are. You do not need to take the time to move them in front of the pattern. If you find a single pattern without a stock card, discard the pattern. Do not discard blocks of patterns as the stock cards may just be missing. Please also check your drawers for McCall patterns. They will be a different size and header color. If found, please remove and give to a store associate. It is not your responsibility to place in any racks. Also check the McCall spinner rack for any simplicity patterns. If found, please return those patterns to the simplicity cabinet. Please also ask your store associate if there are any McCall patterns that are being serviced regularly. You will be asked on your store survey if any McCalls or simplicity patterns were found on the wrong fixture and if the McCall patterns are being serviced. Please note accordingly. While replacing your catalogs, discard all previous catalogs and place the new summer 2017 catalog as shown below. If you cannot locate the new catalogs, please leave the old ones on the cabinet. Please confirm new brand price stickers are on all 4 cabinet drawers. In addition, locate the appliques and count the number of empty pegs. Before exiting the store, you will need to take 2 photos before completing your service. You must include the weekly photo code. The first photo of the bottom drawer opened showing the patterns and cards inside. Please take this photo straight on. We need to be able to see the first and last card in that drawer. The second photo of the cabinet area top to bottom showing the cabinet front, catalogs, etc. Please make sure you close and straighten the catalogs on top of the cabinet before taking any photos. Make sure you have placed the new drawer tab numbers before taking any photos. Example below are of acceptable photos. Here is the copy of the letter of authorization. Here is a copy of the cabinet reorder letter. The next few slides will be your tip sheet and/or frequently asked questions. Please take the time to read through the next few slides. Continued frequently asked questions. Again, continued frequently asked questions. Frequently asked questions continued. Important key points of the April 2017 reset. Should you need more time to complete the reset, you must contact the SRS hotline at 888-493-6669 for any approval for additional time prior to your 2-hour time limit. Please notate who you speak to at SRS and how much time is approved to report on your NI survey. Lastly, your photo and drawer tabs. It is extremely important that you change out the drawer tabs before taking the photos of the cabinet. If they have not been replaced, you will be asked to return to the store and replace the tabs and take new photos. You will not be paid until the appropriate tasks are completed. Thank you for attending the SRS Simplicity tutorial, April 2017 reset.